today with a video that I've actually been meaning to put up for a couple of years now. I got a bunch of these Garnier Fructise hair samples along with some stuff that I ordered a few years ago, and this line is for curly hair and it has sulfate-free formulas with coconut oil. And my samples, as you can see, they come in 3 different steps. So I'm going to be starting with step 1, which is washing my hair. And you're going to see me go back and forth with the filming. It's because I'm actually washing my hair in the shower and then washing some of my hair outside of the shower, so it can look a little confusing, but I also try to add captions so it wouldn't be confusing. So as you can see, the back of my hair has been washed and some of it is already wet, but right now I'm washing the front. And I noticed with the sulfate-free shampoo, you actually don't need to use that much. So 1 entire pack of the sulfate-free shampoo was enough for me to wash my whole head, which was actually really surprising. But as you can see, it lathers up really well. And even as I was doing that, the hair still looked really defined. So next, I'm starting with the back because that part has already been washed. And I'm going to be adding the conditioner to the back part. And this is the conditioner that you wash out, and it is called Hydrate, Buttercream Hydrate. So I'm putting this conditioner on. I do like my conditioners to be a little thicker. That's one thing that I noticed already. And I also noticed that my hair was a little bit more frizzy, but it was defined, but it's just more frizzy than usual. So now I'm going to go back to the front so that I can show you guys how it looks with no product in it after washing with the sulfate-free shampoo. So for me, this is really good definition. And I'm going to be styling it off to the side, which is why I'm washing it in this manner. I usually don't wash my hair with half of it going off to the side, but I've been wearing it like this for a couple of weeks. And so it's just staying like that while I wash it. But I have a lot of elongated hair, I noticed, and that is one of the things that this product line is supposed to do. So now I'm adding the conditioner to the front, and I'm just going to show you guys like the definition that I get just from putting in the conditioner. So now I have left that conditioner in my hair for a few minutes. Usually I just put it in a little bun while I wash the rest of my hair and just let the heat from my scalp help that to soak in. So this is how it looks before, or actually this is after I washed it out. So I'm going to be starting my regular wash and go routine. My routine has not changed since the last 2 or 3 like winter summer wash and go videos I put up last year. I do everything the same still, and these are the same products that I always use. Like none of the products that I use have changed. My staple hair products are still the same. So I'm putting in the Manoi oil from Miss Talia Wajid, which is my favorite. There's a couple oils that I like. You can find all that information on some of my other videos, but that's what I'm using today. And I'm just smoothing that oil in. And step 3 of these is actually a curl stretch style and nourish cream that defines your curls. And this cream is kind of thin in my opinion. Like I said, I like products that are a little more heavy because I have really fine hair, that it's not that it's frizzy, but it's very wiry. So my hair can be defined and it can still look frizzy, but it's actually just how my hair is. So I prefer to use things that are a little heavier so that it looks more uniform, as uniform as I can get. And so I'm just spreading that throughout my hair and then putting in my gel, which is the Miss Jessie's curling jelly, which is one of my favorites. And then I'm just going to proceed to styling my hair, which is what I'm doing is a deep side part. And I actually never done a deep side part before in a wash and go, and I really like it. It keeps my hair out of my face and out of my eyes. I think that it frames my face well, and it keeps it off of my glasses. For those of you that have long hair that's all one length, I'm sure you know how annoying it is to have your hair hanging in your eyes all the time, even if you have it parted off to the side. It did not transform my hair in any kind of way. I actually felt that it left my hair more frizzy. It was soft, but it wasn't as moist as when I used the Garnier Fructise olive oil line. So I still like it, but I noticed on the product advert there is a leave-in conditioner titled Buttercream, and that didn't come with this step 1, 2, and 3. So I might try this again and use the leave-in conditioner. But this is how it dried overnight. I just left it up in kind of like a messy bun because it was still wet by the time I was going to sleep. So this is how it looked. I don't do anything special when I go to sleep. Sometimes I cover it with a scarf, sometimes I don't. And I'll just wear it like this for about 10 to 12 days. Usually it stays like this. It stays moisturized. This is pretty much how I wear it. And if you want to see more photos, there's photos on my blog, there's photos on my Instagram, all of that. And this is how it turned out. I liked it. I didn't dislike it. But like I said, the olive oil line and the other line with the brown bottles, it was more moisturized and more shiny. That was the only difference.